Today we're gonna make something simple. We're gonna make some huaraches, chorizo, and bean huaraches. All right. So first of all, we are gonna flour this. We're gonna add a little bit of flour to this so it won't stick in here, and we're gonna make our huarache. So you could do water. It won't stick with water, but right now out of the box it won't stick. So just make sure you wash your hands prior to starting. I just did that. We're gonna go ahead and do the huaraches first. We're gonna do a couple of them, right? So if you guys never had them, it's just like a sope pretty much. But let me see how sticky this thing is, if I can work with it without anything. Actually, it's not bad, all right? So we're gonna make a couple of them, but you're gonna have to fry them, all right? That's pretty much what you gotta do. So let's add some more, a little bit more. And I'm using these flat titanium base, if you guys can see, base cutters, so it's not bad. So we're gonna flatten this and make it a little bit wider. Just make it enough wide. You can do it however you want. It's up to you, all right? Make them. I'm just gonna make a couple of them, and I'm gonna start frying them right now. Let me turn on the fryer too. All right, so we're gonna start making more. We're gonna start stretching it out a little bit more. And if it's too thick, you can make it smaller, right? But I'm gonna see if I can make them as long as I can. And I think I could fit one through Pam, so we're gonna leave one here. If it breaks down too much, you can always start again, so don't worry about that. Just as long as that it's enough to where it's gonna sustain some of the actual meat and beans. And you can start these. That's good enough. That's good enough. So make them a little longer. Actually, they're a little difficult to make sometimes. So I'm gonna make this. Add some water to your hands. Adjust. There you go. That's better. That's a lot better with a little bit of water. They're like sopes pretty much. And I am gonna make some sopes too, but today I'm gonna make some huaraches. I think that's good enough. Go a little longer. You can make them out of meat. You can make them out of anything, but people like them different styles. Shape them up as you want. Just make sure that it doesn't stick too much to the surface. This is ready to go, pretty much. There you go. Put this on the side. Start the next one. It's a long one right there. Perfect. Make it wider if you can, but this is good enough. Put it in the fryer. All right, we're gonna put another one down. Try not to make them stick together, so move it. I put it down only because this one's a little bit, I've been there for quite a while already. And then if you notice, I put the other one in. We're gonna put it high heat for now until it catches up. And then as soon as we have more space, we're gonna put the other one next. In the meantime, we're gonna start the next grill here. We'll start the next one, and this one's gonna actually have the chorizo, because we're gonna mix up some of the beans with it. We're also gonna preheat the beans right now. Make the beans here, if you guys can see it. Chorizo oil is perfect. And speed up the process too, and spread more oil, because that's what we need, the oil for this. So we're gonna cook this enough where we can put the beans in there and start heating them up and smashing them together, right? So wear muscle shirts like I am. This is actually ready to turn. That one's ready to turn. Add our refried beans. Mix them all up. Integrate them with it. Get that all mixed up together. These are yesterday's beans, or today's beans actually. You can make chili out of this like this. Just like that, it will be chili pork. So, got that part going. Chorizo with beans. It's perfect. Alright, don't smash them too much. You want to keep some of the content together. So that's good enough. So we're also going to add some fat. But this is milk fat that we're going to do. A little bit of milk. That's good. Mix it up. Mix it up. Get everything. You don't have to throw too much milk, right? Just enough. And we're gonna do a taste test with a nacho or something that you have ready. We're gonna let it go because sometimes it needs salt, but unfortunately, like, you know, you don't need salt with too much of the chorizo sometimes too. So let's get a taste spoon. Oh yeah, well, that's on the money. No salt needed. Too salty, but that's a natural thing. That's actually really good. All right, so this is done. They're done. These are done. A little spicy, but it's good. I'm gonna let this cool off. We're actually gonna turn on this back on. Bring that fryer here. Turn the back one off so I could have more room. Put oil in here. I'm gonna take this one out, let it dry out for a bit here on a napkin or some sort of plate. And put this one on somewhere. I'm gonna start the next one off. This is almost done too, this one right here. We're gonna add the next one. Fold, spank it. These are supposed to be a little longer, so unfortunately I didn't start the long process. Alright, so it's fine enough. It's breaking apart, just fold it and then stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. The thinner it is, the faster it's going to cook. So get that one in there. Not really. You see the whiteness on this? We got to get rid of that part. So it's on the top, it's cooked, but the bottom is not. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. Let me see if I can show you. So this one shows brown all around it and yeah, a white in the middle. You have to wait. I just ripped the other one open and you can see if it's done complete. All right, the thinner it is, the faster it is. This one's done, so but we're not gonna waste it. We're gonna dip it in here just to show you how good it looks. Oh man, it tastes great. I'm gonna prepare the first one where we're going 2 types of cheese, some sauce. It's ready to eat. Okay. So I'm gonna try to fit my big ass in here and so you guys can see it. I put a little chile, 2 types of cheese, and in reality they freeze these, all right, for some other day, and they fry it at the same time, putting the condiments and all that stuff. For today I took a head start because I'm hungry, but you could save the dough. Try a little piece like that. That's pretty good. You'll get full with one because you load a bunch of stuff in there. Then the beans, bomb. So hope you enjoy your meal today.